Hello, my name is Jason Buck and I work with Remax Estate Properties, and I'm at a new listing on a street called Tarapaca. This is in the Miraleste area. This is all ocean out here, and I can see Catalina. There's the isthmus right here in the middle of it, and there's the other end. So this is absolutely gorgeous. We've got a really nice home here. I believe it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's got around 2,000 square feet. And we come in here and look at what they did with the floors. They did the peg and groove on the hardwood here. It's a gorgeous fireplace here and a really nice setting looking out towards the view. And this is a good looking room. Vaulted ceiling. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 286 square feet. We come around here and we have the kitchen. Beautiful range here. I love the tile floor. And they did like an island with the bar on the other side. Nice, really good maple. This is beautiful. Really good work here. So this looks nice how it comes out into the other area. I love the bar top here where you can sit and watch people cooking. It's a really good feeling. They've got a skylight there over the kitchen. Nice room here, looking out to the pool. And this side has laundry and a pantry, and then there's a 3/4 bath. Really like this patio. And look at the pool. Gorgeous pool. Good landscaping, block wall, some little extra room, hot tub. Really nice. Private back here too. I love it. Tropical feel. Two-car garage separated. Looks like they did with the workshop. Pretty neat car. Alright, back at the front door. Let's take a look at the bedrooms here. First room being used as an office. So there could be a closet back in here. Probably 12 by 10, but the desk takes up some space. Here's the second room. Gorgeous hardwood. Half a vault, but I love what they did to the roof there. I don't always see it like that. That looks really good. And here's the bath. It's got tile countertop, tile floor, backsplash. Looks good. Bedroom number 3. I am noticing double pane windows. This is nice. Look at the master with the patio. That's really cool. Travertine floors here. Tile top and shower. Double sink. And like I said, this comes out to the patio, which is so quaint and cute. I think this is a really good one. So if you have some interest, please write to me or call me right away. We'll get you over here to have a look at it and see what we can do. Thanks and have a great day.